Hello student, good morning. In previous videos, what things we have studied, let's try to recall and warm up. We have studied in previous videos. Actually, in our travel of our study, we are studying about literature, art and architecture of the ancient period. Stories of the past and religious stories and stories some written by some famous poet and great epics just such as Ramayana and Mahabharata, tales by common people and science, book on science such as Aryabhatyam by Aryabhatta, Brahmihir by Brahmihir Panch Siddhantika, astrology, Charak Sanhita by Charak, medical, insect in the horizon of medical, and Charak Sanhita by Charak, Sushrut Sanhita by Sushrut, and the concept of zero, you know, that developed in India in the ancient period. And recently you have studied about the art and architecture and metallurgy. The iron pillar of Mehrauli, Delhi, the best example of iron wall work skill in ancient India, Indian craftsman. Iron pillar of Mehrauli in Delhi is the best example of iron work or metallurgical work of ancient Indian craftsmen. And architecture about stupas, Bihar and monasteries, it means these all the things you have studied in previous. Viharas and monasteries were hollowed out of rock, some of these decorated with sculpture and painting. Today let's try to understand about two topics. The temples in ancient period. The temples in ancient period. Ancient. Oh, actually this wrongly written it. Ancient period. Temple. The temples in ancient period. Ancient period. Some of the earliest Hindu temples were also built at this time. Some are also Hindu temples were also built at this time. Idols of Durga, Shiva and Vishnu were worshipped in these temples. Durga, Vishnu and Shiva, these god and goddess were worshipped in these temples. Garbhagriha was the most important part of temple. It was the room where the image of chief deity was placed. So if you have Hindu and you have watched in any temple that where the any statue or idol of the god or goddess is placed, that chamber is called Garbhagriha. In this room, priests perform religious rituals, and in that place, priest, it means pujari, performed religious rituals and devotees offered worship to the deity. A shikhar was built on the top of Garbhagriha. A shikhar was built at the top of Garbhagriha. Garbhagriha, it means where God is placed to point out it as a sacred place. इसको दिखाने के लिए कि एक पवित्र स्थल है, इसको दिखाने के लिए. मंडप is a place in the temple where people could assemble. और मंडल एक ऐसा होता था जहाँ पर लोग assemble हो सकते थे. तो टेम्पल का स्ट्रक्चर जो हमारा था, अब हमें यहाँ से तो हम देख नहीं सकते हैं, इंटीरियर ऑफ द वो तो नहीं देख सकते हैं. इस तरीके से आप कुछ देखने को मिलेगा। और इसके अंदर जहाँ वो रखा जाएगा, यहाँ पर मान लीजिए एक कोई देवी देवता है, उनका हम इमेज नहीं बनाएंगे, नहीं तो गंदा बनेगा, तो उसका भी बवाल हो सकता है। तो इस तरीके से स्ट्रक्चर जो भी था, बहुत ज़्यादा उस पर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है। पेंटिंग की अगर हम बात करें, यही अगर हम पेंटिंग की बात करते हैं, पेंटिंग इन एंशिएंट पीरियड, पेंटिंग इन एंशिएंट पीरियड। The history of painting in India goes back to the old Stone Age at Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. In Bhimbetka in मध्य प्रदेश, भीमबेटका मध्य प्रदेश में है। भीमबेटका मध्य प्रदेश। Many prehistoric paintings have been found in the caves. Complex of अजंता एंड एलोरा, सबसे बढ़िया जो प्लेस है, प्लेस को लिख दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, अजंता एलोरा। दीज आर एलोरा, ये केव्स हैं, दीज आर केव्स ऑफ द मुंबई एंड वेयर दीज आर इन Mumbai is the most varied example of painting cave architecture and sculpture. These are 29 caves in Ajanta and 34 is in Ellora. Here in 29, here 34 caves total है, ठीक है। There are 29 caves in Ajanta and 34 in Ellora. These caves are hollowed out of hills over centuries. बहुत समय पहले इनको ये काट करके बनाए गए थे। इट इज़ बिलीव दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द पेंटिंग वर डन इन द लाइट ऑफ टॉर्च एज अ केव्स वर डार्क इनसाइड। ऐसा माना जाता है कि इन गुफाओं में टॉर्च के उस समय मसाल जला करके इस पेंटिंग को किया गया, क्योंकि इस समय अंधेरा रहता था इन गुफाओं में। दीज पेंटिंग कॉल्ड म्यूरल्स, इन पेंटिंग्स को कहा जाता है, यहाँ से पाई जाने वाली पेंटिंग्स जो हैं, जो पेंटिंग्स हैं, पेंटिंग्स आर कॉल्ड murals. Paintings are called murals. Depict event from the life of Buddha. बुद्धा के लाइफ के बारे में डिपिक्ट किया गया है। The color used in these painting were made from plant and minerals. और जो कलर यूज किया जाता था इस पेंटिंग में, जो कलर यूज किया जाता था वो होता था एनिमल प्लस एनिमल का कुछ वो लिखा नहीं, प्लस प्लांट्स। एनिमल को लिखना मुझे लगता सही नहीं है, क्योंकि एनिमल का यूज का कोई एविडेंस मिलता नहीं है। प्लांट्स एंड मिनरल्स, दो चीज़ें, क्योंकि मिनरल्स का हमारे पास उसमें यूज काफ़ी अच्छा था। As the result, these color are vivid even after 1500 years. 1500 ईयर तक ले भी ये कलर्स अभी भी बचे हुए हैं, ठीक है। Since 1983, the Ajanta caves have been UNESCO World Heritage Site. United Nations Environmental, Social and Cultural Organization यह है जो वो करता है, ठीक है। इस समय का एक और आपको जानकारी थोड़ा सा छोटा सा जाने। इन द एंशिएंट चाइनीज मेड पेपर ऑलमोस्ट 1900 ईयर्स अगो। द कोटियन नेम्ड टाई ए लून फ्रॉम द लाई यांग इन चाइना वाज द फर्स्ट रिकॉर्डेड इन्वेंटर ऑफ पेपर। चाई लून वी कैन प्रोनाउंस इट, presented paper and paper making process to the Chinese emperor. The technique of paper making spread eastward in Korea and Japan and westward to Arab land, to northern Africa and Europe. Okay, these all the things are dimension of the chapter. It means we tried to understand in this chapter about the art and brief introduction of art in ancient time period, and architecture, how they built monuments and buildings and temples, and their architecture, their metallurgical technique. By observing and looking the Mehrauli pillar, we can understand that what was the condition of metallurgical engineering in ancient period. Okay, even it is not rusted automatically. Okay, and next we will try to understand next things in next topic. Thank you.